बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ रज़ा अब्दी। आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़ और मौजूद है बहरीन में। जैसे जानते हैं क्रिकेट कौन नहीं चाहता और कौन क्रिकेट से प्यार नहीं करता। हमारे साथ मौजूद है समी मोहम्मद अली जो कि प्रेसिडेंट है बहरीन क्रिकेट फेडरेशन के। इनसे समझते हैं कितनी टीमें यहाँ पर हैं और क्या तमन्ना ये रखते हैं क्रिकेट के हवाले से। आए मिलते हैं समी साहब से। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Pak News for coming to Bahrain and covering Bahrain Cricket Federation and promoting the cricket in Bahrain. Currently in Bahrain, we have 110 hardball teams which are playing over 5 divisions. So they support and they promote the whole league structure of Bahrain. And we have more than 15,000 players registered in Kingdom of Bahrain over modified cricket as well as in hardball cricket. So the cricket is one of the biggest federations in the Kingdom of Bahrain when it comes to the sports. Even though we don't have the grass ground yet, but we have been promised by His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Hamad Al Khalifa last year the ground which will be a stadium of 35,000 square meter, which is a very big news for Kingdom of Bahrain when it comes to promotion of games and sports and for the cricket itself. For internationally, we are ranked 26 right now, and mashallah, we have been holder of 4 world records when it comes to women cricket, which is a very big achievement for a small country like Bahrain. But alhamdulillah, we have always been in the forefront of promoting the game and to develop the youth to come forward and play the game at the best.
What is your wish for the international events happening and coming to Bahrain? Do you feel that like Pakistan have a PSL and like these teams and players, stars come play and promote cricket here as well?
Yes, inshallah, we would love all the international players to come here, like IPL, PSL, all these big leagues. We would like to welcome them and have tournaments similar to our neighbors, Dubai, how they do it. So, inshallah, once we have the infrastructure up and ready and up to the standard, we will be ready with this, inshallah.
T20 World Cup is going on. What is your wish and which team do you think that they're going to win the cup?
For me, my favorite for now is South Africa because they have always ended up with the best performance, but they end up losing in semi-final. But for the semi-final, the 4 qualifiers I see is South Africa, New Zealand, India, Pakistan.
So you wish that one day the champions will visit Bahrain as well?
Inshallah, that's always a hope, and hopefully, inshallah, if we qualify for next World Cup, that will be another achievement altogether to play them.
Finally, the Park News viewers watching you, is it the government of Bahrain also supporting you officially?
Yes, we have His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Hamad Al Khalifa, who's always been at the forefront of promoting sports in the Kingdom of Bahrain. And we have His Highness Sheikh Nasser bin Hamad Al Khalifa. He has a Ramadan tournament going on currently, and in that there are 13 sports, and cricket has been added this year for the first time, which is a very big thing when it comes to the Kingdom of Bahrain, where cricket is very small compared to the overall global impact of cricket. So alhamdulillah, it's a very big achievement for us, and we are seeing a very good progress in cricket from all the supporting bodies.
Thank you very much for giving time.
Thank you very much.
जैसे समी मोहम्मद इन्होंने कहा कि उम्मीद करते हैं कि यहाँ पर इंटरनेशनल लेवल की क्रिकेट भी होगी और ये रमज़ान टूर्नामेंट जो है ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से बड़ा एक अहम मौका है जिसमें बहुत सी टीमें इस दफ़ा क्रिकेट को भी शामिल किया गया। कैमरामैन आसिफ के साथ रज़ा अब्दी, पाक न्यूज़, बहरीन।
पाक न्यूज़, पाकिस्तान की आवाज़।